Email marketing in 2 minutes. What exactly is email marketing? The use of email within your marketing efforts to promote a business's products and services, as well as incentivize customer loyalty. Email marketing is a form of marketing that can make the customers on your email list aware of new products, discounts, and other services. It can also be a softer sell to educate your audience on the value of your brand or keep them engaged between purchases. It can also be anything in between. Email marketing is a powerful marketing channel, a form of direct marketing as well as digital marketing, that uses email to promote your business's products or services. It can help make your customers aware of your latest items or offers by integrating it into your marketing automation efforts. It can also play a pivotal role in your marketing strategy with lead generation, brand awareness, building relationships or keeping customers engaged between purchases through different types of marketing emails. If you are looking for a way to push your business up the ladder with minimal marketing effort, email marketing is your best shot. It's not rocket science. In the next episode, I will show you the very many 5 benefits of email marketing for your business. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please encourage us by liking, sharing and dropping a comment below. Subscribe below to get free videos like this every other days.